What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So yesterday I talked about Jasmycoin and how we could see it drop a zero soon. We could see it get to a penny, and it's not too far away from it. Honestly, we could see things that do rise very quickly, get to a level of penny, which wouldn't be a ridiculous market cap or ridiculous price or anything like that, right? Um, but now we're seeing today, as I make a new video, as we see, something else that, happened in the morning, and this is as of 9 a.m. So I don't know what happens throughout the rest of the day as this video is posted, and hopefully things do come back to normal. We are seeing it pick up a little bit. We want to see it break a certain point before we can see it skyrocket again or get back to the normal level. But Jasmycoin is down quite a bit today. So I wanted to talk about that and why we are seeing that movement down, why today is the day. And I should have mentioned that because I knew about this a while ago. And I didn't remember that this was going to happen because there's so many other things that are happening in the crypto market, especially with Pepe and other meme coins that are really skyrocketing. So anyways, guys, let's talk about Jasmycoin today. Let's talk about why it's falling, whether I think we're going to see this, push back up, and what this really means for Jasmy in the future. So, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description as well, which does help out the channel, helps out growth, and all of that stuff. So, let's go ahead and dive into this. So, Jasmycoin is currently at a level of 56% of a penny. If you didn't see my video yesterday, we saw that Jasmycoin was at 70% of a penny. So it is down 19%. We see this at a high to low for today. We saw this at a low of 52% of a penny. If you look down here to about a high of 71% of a penny. So it started at 71, ended up going down to 52. And now we can see this up to about 56% of a penny, down 19%. It's currently at a $266 million market cap. We're seeing $219 million worth of volume. And there's a reason as to why we're seeing this much volume, this much activity that's happening. Majority of the activity is negative within the position. Again, circulating supply, 47.5 billion coins. Now, as we see all this data, we see the chart on the screen and how it looks. It doesn't look great. We look at the last 7 days and it looks like it just absolutely fell off the face of the earth from being so level. And again, this has been holding very, very strong for a long period of time, which is it's kind of shocking because we knew about this news well beforehand, but ever since we got to the actual day of the news, or the actual thing happening, that's when we see things that start to drop. That's when we see this start to fall instead of, it falling back then. So throughout this kind of bearish market that we've been seeing for Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, CRO, everything really, we've seen Jasmycoin hold strength, if not grow a little bit up to a level that it hasn't been to in a little bit, which is 80% of a penny. But it has decreased a little bit down to a level of 70, bounced off that, got up to 75, decreased down to 70, increase up to 71, then decrease down to 70 again. So it's been hovering between that 70 to 80% of a penny for quite some time within that consolidation zone before it got to today, and it absolutely dropped down. Now you can see, within the last few hours, we've seen this kind of pick up a little bit from the low level here of, 52 or 53 up to a level of 56. So we're seeing a little bit of an increase now, down 16%. So again, as you're viewing this, you may see this at a different price. It may have recovered, and that's absolutely fantastic. But I'm recording this at 9:23 just to let you guys know what did happen within it. So why? Why are we seeing this? Is this because, I put out a video yesterday saying that we're going to, drop a zero, and now we're going to add a zero? Or is it some other news? Well, Binance apparently will move a lot of coins to the innovation zone. And one of those coins being Jasmy right here. Jasmy will be moved to the innovation zone. Now, what does this really mean? The innovation zone was introduced to give Binance users a place to trade innovative projects with higher volatility and risk compared to other listed tokens. When we identify such projects during our periodic review, we will move them into the innovation zone. Projects placed in the innovation zone will be closely monitored on their developments. When we conduct these reviews, we consider a variety of factors. Here are some of those criteria: commitment to the team, a commitment of the team to projects, level of quality, of development activities, trading volume and liquidity, stability, and safety of the network from attacks, network, smart contract stability, level of public communication, responsiveness to our periodic due diligence request, evidence of unethical and fraudulent conduct or negligence, contribution to a healthy or sustainable crypto ecosystem. So honestly, this could be a number of things within it. It was moved to the innovation zone. So as things are moved to the innovation zone, it's basically saying that these are risk of not having, communication or not having, commitment to the team or the level of quality that they want to see, or, projects and development within the projects that are enough for a sustainable crypto project or a healthy crypto project. And they move things like Voyager token to that OMG network, which I have OMG as well. You're moving a lot, but I feel like Jasmy is one that is at a peak point compared to a lot of these other ones that are out there as well. So does this mean that this is the death of Jasmy? And that's what a lot of people made it seem like, right? Where you started to see this decrease down to a lower level, which now we're seeing it increases up to 15% down instead of being at 16% down or 19% down. But as you see, and as you go along with like 24 hours, you're going to see probably levels of massive drops from that, because this is 7 days. So we're looking at here, when we see the peak point, it may look like it's down more, or it may actually come back up to 70% of a penny. Um, but that's what a lot of people made it seem like, was like this was the death of Jasmycoin, and now it's moved to the innovation zone. So we have to see it perform in order for it to get out. But we're seeing so much money that's flowing into Jasmy. It's in the form of 100 million, around a day. We've seen 200 million today because a lot of people are selling the position or moving the position to a different place. Maybe they feel as though it's better in another place. But I put out a tweet recently, talked about how Jasmy is falling, and it looks like I may be able to capture my 500K to a million coins that I really wanted. Now, if you don't know, I have $1,000 invested in the Jasmy. Currently, I am up about $97, I believe. So $91 here. It may end up going up a little bit if we refresh this, but I'm up about $90. Yeah, $172 right now, with the past day's returns down $246. But my average price is 0.0049. I don't want to raise my average cost. I don't want to raise my cost basis. So I may have the ability to capture more if it does find a way to continue to decrease. But it does look like it's on a little bit of an increase right now, up to a level of 0.0058, or 58% of a penny versus being at 52% of a penny. So still very bullish on Jasmycoin. I want to see them succeed. I want to see them develop a little bit more. And maybe this gives them a little bit of more pressure to be more communicative with a lot of people, right? Communicate with a lot of their investors and, people that are outside investing in this position. So, we'll see what it ends up being, but that's the news. That's what we have forward. Jasmycoin currently, down 17%. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if it is at a good price, know that I am aware that it's at a better price as of later in the day, because I'm posting this at 3 p.m., recording it at 9 a.m. So there's a big difference. It's mainly just to give you the information on what happened. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.